Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can post a photo or the video on Parler app. It's really easy. So the first step what you need to do here is of course to open Parler app, and then you need to click on your profile icon that is on a top left, and then you need to click on profile. And as you can see here on the bottom right there is little red icon that you need to press, and here you can post a video and photo. So I will show you how you can do that, how you can upload them both. Alright, so press on upload button, and here you have the options. So you can take photo right now, or you can choose from a library. So I will take photo right now. Alright, and let's take a photo. Press use the photo, press little check icon here on the bottom right, and then press submit, and that's how you can upload photo. And with the video is pretty much the same. What you need to do here is to press again on that little red button, then press upload. Then you have the options for you can upload from library, or you can take video right now. Select the video, do the video, and after that press done, or you can crop parts of the video as you can see here. And now it's uploading, and you can type something. This is my video, for example, and press submit on the top right. And that's how also you can upload a video. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.